Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Dodge Challenger louder. First, let's understand the key components influencing your car's sound. We'll explore various modifications, from simple swaps to full system overhauls. It's important to consider local noise regulations and your budget before starting. This guide will help you achieve that aggressive, head-turning roar you desire, ensuring you make informed decisions for your Challenger. One of the most impactful ways to boost your Challenger's sound is by upgrading its exhaust system. Aftermarket mufflers like those from Borla or Corsa can dramatically increase volume and deepen the tone. For a more complete transformation, consider a catback or axleback system. These replace larger sections of your exhaust, improving gas flow by up to 81% and delivering a more aggressive, performance-oriented sound. For a more budget-friendly and often louder option, consider resonator or muffler deletes. A muffler delete removes the main sound-dampening components, resulting in a significantly louder exhaust. Resonator deletes, often done with an X-pipe, can create a deeper, more aggressive rumble. While these modifications are effective, be mindful of potential in-cabin drone at cruising speeds and ensure compliance with local noise laws. Beyond the main exhaust components, other modifications can further enhance your Challenger's sound. Installing a cold air intake can introduce a more aggressive engine induction note, especially under acceleration. Long tube headers, while a more involved upgrade, significantly improve exhaust flow and volume, often adding 15 to 20 horsepower. Always consider professional installation for complex modifications to ensure safety and optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.